Hello everyone, hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to customize a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook there are different methods to customize your device. Hey, in this video I'll show you few of them. Number 1, change wallpaper. For that, right click on desktop, click on set wallpaper and style, and it will open the wallpaper application. You can also access the wallpaper application from the settings. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon. Click on gear icon, it will open the settings. Here click on wallpaper and style. Then click on set here wallpaper and style. This will open the wallpaper application. Now to change wallpaper, click on wallpaper option and here you'll find different categories of wallpaper. Simply select the category. Now select the wallpaper you want to set and wait for the process to complete. And here you can see wallpaper has been changed. Also, you can click on change daily option. This will change wallpaper on daily basis. If you want, you can also click on refresh button. It will refresh wallpaper from the same category. Second, change screensaver. For that, open wallpaper application, click on screensaver option, simply turn on the screensaver option, and here you'll find different options to customize your screensaver. Like you can change screensaver animation, image source, and weather information, temperature, unit. To preview your screensaver, click on preview button, and here we have the preview. Next, you can turn on dark mode. For that, open wallpaper application. Here you will find the option to enable dark mode. Simply click on dark and it will enable dark mode on your Chromebook. Also, you can enable dark mode from the quick settings. For that, click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon. Next to the brightness slider, click on this arrow icon and here you'll find dark theme option. You can use this option to turn on and turn off dark mode. Next, change position of your Chromebook shelf. The taskbar area of Chromebook is called Chromebook shelf. If you want, you can change the position. For that, right click on it, then click on shelf position, and from here you can select your Chromebook shelf position. Also, if you want, you can hide the Chromebook shelf. For that, right click on desktop, then click on auto hide. Now whenever you open any application, Chromebook shelf will auto hide. To bring it back, you can simply hover your mouse to the taskbar area, or else you can simply turn it off. Next, you can apply themes to your Chrome browser. For that, simply open Chrome browser, click on Customize Chrome. Here you will find customization option, like you can enable dark mode. Also, you can select dark mode accent. If you want, you can also change Chromebook background. For that, click on Appearance option, and from different categories, you can select wallpaper. So that's it. These are the few customization options you can apply on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.